Hey guys, shalom shalom. Welcome to Bethany. Here we are right now. This is one of the biblical places here in Bethany, guys. Looking for the tomb of Lazarus. Hey guys, shalom. Welcome. Look, these ancient places here in Israel. Ancient village of Bethany, where Lazarus, Maria, and Martha lived more than 2,000 years ago. So we are exploring these amazing and wonderful places from the Bible. Amazing, guys. Lovely, look, guys. Really a fascinating beauty here in Bethany. That's the ancient village of Bethany.